It has become an easy way to earn money simply by viewing YouTube videos. How is that possible will be shown in this video. So make sure to stay with me until the end of this video to understand what I'm saying. Actually, this is now considered to be one of the most effective methods of earning money online. So what is the best way to go about it? In this video, I will show you how to earn $290 every day simply by watching YouTube videos. I will show you how to earn from this on autopilot so that you may earn even more money without having to do any effort. This is one of the most effective methods of earning money online. It is quite basic and straightforward. Although it requires some setup, you may begin earning money simply by watching videos on YouTube after you have done so. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first website that I'll be introducing to you is called uCubes. I want you to type in this on your search bar, ucubes.com, and it will be directed to their homepage. uCubes is a survey site that provides a variety of ways to earn some additional money online, including viewing advertisements and videos, participating in surveys, and doing tasks online. Additionally, you can earn money here by completing basic tasks such as signing up for a website, playing games, answering quizzes, and downloading apps. You will be compensated for your time spent viewing websites and exploring the internet on uCubes. You will also be compensated for watching videos offered by the offer walls and for completing surveys provided by them. You might earn a commission up to 15% of the sales of your referrals and the sales of their referrals. As you can see, it says here that they have over 900,000 members since 2007, which is a good thing because you could advertise your business. The company also offers different payment methods like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the most common one is PayPal. And they have processed over 20,000 payments, and that is a lot. Now, all that is left to do to start earning is to create a free account. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and if you don't want to miss anything, please stay and make sure to follow along with me. I'd like you to click on this sign up button right here, which will take you to a new page with a form that you must complete in order to continue. Fill up the blanks with your email address and password, and in addition, you will be required to enter your full name, your username, your gender, your date of birth, and the country in which you are currently residing. The next question, how did you hear, is an optional question. However, you may choose to fill in a reason for how you found out about a website in a box provided. After that, check the box that says I'm not a robot, and also check the box to agree on their terms and conditions, and then click on the register button to complete the process. And big props on the job, well done on creating a new account on this site. Now all you need to do is log in. Upon reaching a new page after signing up, you can see here that you have earned £5 Cube funds for logging in today. The next step is how to earn more Cube funds to be able to convert them into cash. So for today's video, we will be watching YouTube videos to earn Cube funds. I will give you an example for this. Right here, they will provide you with the videos, and you will be compensated for simply watching them. Now, here are some bonus ideas to help you get the most out of this website and maximize your results. There's a way for you to actually not view the videos yourself and still earn money in this manner. All that is required is that you mute this video and let it play in the background. That way, you may play more videos in the background and earn more money without having to do anything else at all. Another way is by decreasing the video quality to 144 pixels. It will be much easier to play more videos in the background, and you will use significantly less internet data as a result of this change. Now, the best bonus advice that I can provide you is to increase the playing speed of the video. The video setting can be found by clicking here, and when you click on that, you'll discover that you have the option to increase the playback speed of any video by 2, which means that the video will play twice as quickly. As a result, you will view twice as many films every day and earn twice as much money, which is fantastic. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, I will show you another website that will compensate you for watching videos. This website is called Boxinsight.com. Type this in your search bar and click enter. Boxinsight is a pay-per-click service that provides a variety of ways to earn some additional money, including paid offers, paid surveys, contests, and referring friends. According to what you can see, this website will compensate you for simply browsing the advertiser's website, and you will be compensated for every 10 seconds of video that you view. Your earnings may be cashed out promptly on this website, and you can cash out amount as low as $2. The nicest part about this service is that you can cash out your money immediately. They have given payment proofs, which may be viewed on this page as well. Every minute of every day, people from all over the world are being compensated through this website. This company provides opportunities for people all around the world to make money just by watching YouTube videos on their computers. And good thing, they have different payment methods available like PayPal, Payza, ADV Cash, and BitGold. In order to proceed, you must first register for a free account. To do so, all you have to do is click on this register button right here on this page. You'll then be taken to this page where you'll find this form to fill out. You are required to put in your username and your email. The email that you type in should be your payment email so that there will be no problems to encounter later on. Even though it is optional, you may still type in a referrer's username if you have one, and then choose the currency and the payment method that you prefer using. Also, do not forget to include your birth year, and afterwards click the verification that you are a human, and also click the tiny box right here for accepting the company's terms and conditions. Click register once you are done. Once you have done so, you will be able to watch videos on this website while also earning money from it. You can utilize the first website to earn more, and do this every day, and it will really change your lifestyle. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions, and see you in the next video.